Okay, ladies, now we're going to get into what I call undulation madness. We are going to undulate, traveling forward, traveling back, and then side to side. We will add arms and a little combination. So let's get started. Arms out in second position, right foot in front in third. I want you to step, pushing the weight forward, contract the pelvis in. I want you to step, contract, step, and hold. Now we'll travel back. Toe, heel, step, contract. Walking naturally, just walking back natural. Step, contract. Last time, let's do it again. Now, step, add a roll. Step, add a roll. Step, contract, step, let's take it back. Step, add a roll. Step, add a roll. Step, and roll. Good. Let's try it a little faster. And step, contract, arch, contract, step, contract, back, and toe, heel. Toe, heel. Good. One more time. And step, contract, and roll it back. 5 and 6. Good. Let's add sunrise arms. And 1, 2, 3, and back. Sunset arms. Good. Let's try this combination again. It's forward, forward, out, and back. Sunset, sunset. Good. One more time. Undulate, travel. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Reverse. 5, 6, 7, and release. Good. Finish in third position. Weight forward and back. So it's key to make sure we have that flow and that weight change, regardless if we're traveling or undulating in place. Good. Let's turn it on a diagonal. Forward and back. Weight goes forward and back. Here's 5 and 6. Now I want you to focus just on the front foot. Back foot stays flat. Forward and back. So we're still transferring the weight. We're just not going to lift the back foot. Good. Last time. Let's try it a little faster. And right, good. Forward, back, undulate, roll, roll, pull it in. Last time, and release. Let's add a little hip drop here. Give me 1, 2, 3, and undulate. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Undulate. 5 and 6. Let's try it faster. Give me 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll and roll. Again. Drop, 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 drop. Roll it. Arms and variation of third position. And roll. One more time. Drop, 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 drop. Roll and release. Rond de jambe. Other side. Position. Give me forward and back. So let's review this on the left side. Same idea, transferring the weight. Now keep the back foot down. Weight goes forward, weight goes back. Weight goes forward, good. Lift and roll. Arch, contract. Let's try it a little faster. And step, step, and roll. Pull that belly in. Pull it in. Arch, contract. Arch, contract. Good. Try it with the hip drop. Give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. Let's try this again. Cute little combination. 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Up to tempo. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll and roll. Arms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll and roll. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll and release. Take a deep breath. Excellent. So we started traveling with those undulations forward, recalling that we must step and contract, step and contract. Then we add that roll. Last time, let's take it back. So we step, contract, then we add the roll, contract, and release. Excellent. Then I added a little hip drop in there, okay, with an undulation flowing in place. We'll revisit that in a moment. For now, go ahead and give me 1.5, tucked and lifted. We're going to start traveling with these undulations side to side. New concept. Right foot in third, give me forward and back. So you know this, we've done this before. Good. Now we're going to start traveling to the right, step behind, flat feet first. Good. 5 and 6, 7 and tap. Notice the tap on the 8. This is how we're going to transition from one side to the other. Third position, let's try it again. Give me forward and back. Good, start to travel. So we step behind. Good. Last time, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, tap. Let's do it again. Give me 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and close. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 up to tempo, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, third position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. Last time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, freeze. Now we're going to try it on releve, which means coming up on the balls of the feet. For now, arms in second. Let's try it up on releve, and right, 5, 6, 7, tap. Left, 5, 6, 7, arms, third and third. 5, 6, 7, tap. Forward, back, forward, back. Let's try it flat and flat, and switch. Good. 5, 6, 7, and release. Nice. So keep in mind, when you're traveling, the weight goes forward and the weight goes back. Keep that in mind. It always changes forward and back. As you get comfortable and as you practice, you're going to realize that you can pull your abdomen deeper, and that's going to give you a nicer undulation. Let's try a combination. We will undulate traveling right on releve for 8. Then we will add our hip drop for 4. Let's try it together. Give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and close. Variation third position. Left hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we repeat. Releve, traveling left, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, freeze. Third position, right hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, roll and roll. Let's try it with no breaks. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, roll. Other direction, releve. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pose, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, roll and release. Excellent. Repeat these combinations, work on that posture and those arms, and we'll continue with this.